everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. For today's DIY video, I am showing you all how I made this dress, pretty much inspired by this Instagram online shopping page called Northeast Fashion Lookbook. And if you really like watching my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and support me by sharing this video. So let's get into the tutorial.
For this project you will need fabric, color matching lace whose width is about 2.5 inch long, matching thread, scissor and elastic band. Now with the help of this circle skirt calculator, I am going to be preparing my skirt for the dress.
तो ये वाला स्कर्ट का बैक पीस है. तो इफ़ यू रिमेंबर मैंने यहाँ से 3 इंच एक्स्ट्रा बढ़ाया था, तो यहाँ से हम काटेंगे 3 इंच.
Time to make some darts now. Making darts, it provides shape to garment, especially for women's bust, and this is how you're going to make them. Fold and see if it is well fitted, then pin the fabric and do the same on the other side.
So this is how it's gonna look like once you make the darts. Now using this length, I'm going to cut out the back piece.
Circumference of this back side of skirt will be the length of the back bodice piece.
The result after you stitch the back piece with the back skirt. Time to now hem the edge but leaving enough space so that the elastic can go all the way through it. So guys, now you're going to fish this elastic band all the way through it. So the back side of the dress is ready. I'm going to finish off the hem by using this glue.
Since I don't have the exact lace similar to the original dress, so I'm trying to be a little creative here. Facing the right sides together, now you're going to sew the front and back side of the dress. And we are done with the project. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you next time. Bye.